Come on. It's perfect. Hi friends, I'm Chef Daniela Malfitano and welcome to My Choice Kitchen. This is a space for choosing joy. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite delicious party time recipes. This is a vegan jalapeno popper. You ready to cook? Let's go. Here's how I dice an onion in 3 simple steps. Place your palm on top and keep your fingers straight. Make horizontal and then vertical slices without cutting through the root. Slice it through to get evenly diced pieces. Heat extra virgin olive oil on medium and then add your onions to your pan. Next, add garlic. And hey, make things easy on yourself. Try using frozen minced garlic cubes. I buy these at Trader Joe's. For prepping the jalapeños, it's a really great idea to use gloves here. You don't want the natural chili oil to burn your skin, and it will. Cut the tops off and then slice each in half. Check on your sautéed onions and give them a turn in the pan. Use your handy-dandy fingers to pull out the seeds and all of those white ribs. That's actually where the heat's at. It would have been really cool if I could have found red jalapenos, also known as red Fresnos. I couldn't find them. When you're finished prepping the jalapeños, place them in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with foil. Now for the filling. I soak these cashews for 4 hours. Soaking is super important because it breaks down the phytic acid in nuts, which makes them softer and easier to digest. Add the cashews and the onions to the food processor along with a small can of diced green chilies. These are sweet and spicy and add a ton of great flavor. Next, we're using nutritional yeast. I love this stuff. It's a great vegan Parmesan substitute that's full of protein and packed with an incredible amount of B vitamins. Season with your choice spices like paprika, coriander, or cumin. We need a little liquid, and again, the choice is yours. Filtered water works, but veggie broth is even better. Blend the filling mixture until it's silky smooth, stopping halfway through to scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Spray the jalapeños with olive oil so they don't dry out when cooking. Final step, we are going to pipe this cheesy mixture right into these jalapeños. Here's how to make a homemade pastry bag. Fill a plastic storage bag with every last bit of the filling. Then zip the bag closed and make sure it's closed. Snip off one corner edge and voila, you're a pastry bag pro. Come on. Perfect. You guys, we should go to Disneyland. Let's go to Disneyland. Today or tomorrow. Doesn't that sound fun? I'm hearing nothing. Guess not.
Just to take the lonely picture.
Okay, I'll go by myself. Guess I'm not going to Disneyland, so back to business. Gather the filling towards the open edge of the bag and twist the top so that you have a physical handle to grip while you pipe. Squeeze the bag slowly while filling each jalapeno. Use a consistent piping pressure to fill each popper. Start slow and then try increasing your speed as you go. See how fun this is? I love piping. It's not quite good when it's not baked though. But it's fun. Last step. Total fail. I use olive oil kettle-cooked potato chips, which are healthier. Crush the chips to make the garnish. And for added crunch, sprinkle a bit of the chips on each popper. Add your jalapeno poppers to a 400-degree oven and bake for 15 minutes. Okay, our jalapeno poppers are ready. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. I can smell this sweet spiciness in the air, and they're golden brown and delicious. Exactly what we want. I have my friend Benny coming over for a little taste test. I really think he's gonna like these. Hi, Benny.
Hi, Dee.
How's it going?
It's really good.
Man, thanks for coming over.
No problem. What did you make here?
We do a little special vegan treat. These are vegan jalapeno poppers. Yeah?
They look great.
You think you'd be into that?
There's only one way to find out.
Let's try.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Oh, I love the crunch.
Yeah, the potato chips worked, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And the inside is like creamy, smooth, but it's like a little bit like savory.
Yeah.
That's nice. Ooh, and the jalapeno is like super spicy. Are you sweating it?
A little bit. A
Okay,
little
I'm
bit.
gonna use some water
That's
ready.
good.
Benny, I actually grew these jalapenos, all 12 of them.
Really?
No. But you can. Look, I actually have one growing in this pot. Isn't that cool?
Oh, how cute.
No. All right, well, while we eat just a little bit more, Benny, I want to ask you, what's your favorite thing about being vegan?
The food choices make me feel so good.
Yeah,
like everything
totally.
is so fresh. It comes from the earth.
Yeah, anytime I eat vegan food and make vegan food, I feel like I'm doing something good for the planet and my body, which makes me feel like I love the food even more, right?
Yeah.
I really enjoyed eating with you, but you know what? We forgot to do one thing, so let's do it at the end. We
Okay.
forgot to give this food a little gratitude,
Oh, that's right.
which we do every single time. So
Okay.
really quickly, let's just give this plant, the jalapeno plant, and these jalapeno peppers a little gratitude. Here we go. Thank you, food. Thank you, Benny.
Thank you, Dee.
It's really good to taste with you. And listen, if you guys want more, come back. We have so much in store for you here at My Choice Kitchen, and we'll see you next time. But until then, let's rejoice in choice. Bye, friends.